Hello, welcome back once again. In our today's video, we're given a single equation with three different variables, right? Which is often called the Diophantine equation. And in this video, we're going to solve for integers a, b, and c that are greater than or equal to 0. Okay? So let's get started. Now we can see from the left-hand side of this equation, something is common, and that is a. So let's factor out a. So if we factor out a, then we have the following: 1 plus, so here ab divided by a will give us b, plus abc divided by a will give us bc. So this is equal to 11. So from here we have a into brackets 1 plus b plus bc. This is equal to, remember we're solving for integers, positive integers, right? So in this case 11, we're going to factor 11 into 1 multiplied by 11. Now let's compare this equation as follows. And again, we're going to start with our first case. So in our case 1, so this is where a is less than 1 plus b plus bc. So in this case, we're going to let a equals 1. Then from here, we have 1 plus b plus bc is going to be equal to 11. Subtract 1 from both sides, we get b plus bc is equal to 10. Again, from this right-hand side here, remember we're solving for positive integers, so this can be factored into 2 times 5, right? And again into 1 times 10. Don't forget that when you factor out b here, we're left with 1 plus c, which is equal to this. Now, if b into bracket 1 plus c is equal to 2 times 5, then we have the following possibilities. So we have that when b is equal to 2, 1 plus c will be equal to 5, giving us c as 4. So when b is equal to 1, then we have 1 plus c is equal to 10, giving us c as 9. But we're not done yet, right? Again, we're going to consider when b is greater than 1 plus c, right? Then b will be equal to 5. If b is equal to 5, then c will be 1 plus c equals 2 will give us c is equal to 1. Okay, and again, if b is equal to 10, 1 plus c, which is equal to 1, will give us c is equal to 0. So these are the possibilities here. Okay, now let's consider the second case. In our case 2, this is where a is greater than 1 plus b plus bc. So let's see what happens. So we're going to have a. This implies here that a is going to be equal to 11, and then 1 plus b plus bc will be equal to 1. So from here we get b plus bc is equal to 0. So we know if you factor out b from here, we get 1 plus c is equal to 0. From here, we're going to have b is equal to 0, and 1 plus c is equal to 0, giving us c is equal to -1. So we don't have solutions here, since we arrive at c is equal to -1, right? So therefore, in our conclusion, we have the following solutions for a, b, and c, which is equal to, we have 1, 2, 4. So we have 1, 5, 1. Then we have 11, 0, 0. Right? Okay. And then we have again 1, 1, 9. And finally we have 1, 10, 0. So these are the solutions for A, B, and C. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.